it going? Yay. Okay. This is my room. The closet. My roommate's closet. She has a lot more stuff than I do. The fridge. The microwave. My roommate's desk. My roommate. Our little window thing. Our view. I know everyone's gonna be jealous. The lake. Hard to get it in. I have the top bunk. It's weird talking to yourself on this.
Yeah.
My roommate has the bottom bunk. My desk. Dirty at the moment. Lauren. Dun, 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 dun. My desk thing. Whatever this is. My dresser, I guess. And my roommate's dresser. Yay! Bye, I miss everyone. How do I turn this off?